Chapter 2 of my story, Fleur Fighter. Dinah girl, where's this puppy girl? Hold on. Poppy. Yes, Dinah. Poppy was gonna get a watermelon. What do you need? Teach Fleur here how to fight. Oh, hi, new girl. How do you not know me? You're the one who stole my treasure last time. Oh, Poppy, sorry. Poppy saw a random treasure nearby and took it. Anyway, Poppy's sorry, take the treasure. They're shiny and pretty. Happy now? Poppy wants to teach you fighting. Fleur, remember, do whatever Poppy says, okay? Okay. Alright, when Poppy swings her axe, fight back. No, Poppy didn't say put paws on face. She said fight back. Poppy understands why Party Camp left you. Fighting is the easiest thing. Sniffle. What will happen next? Like and subscribe.